Abuza from Mamunya Mako about the Bagan and Same TV so Bombo is like video be subscribe to the channel. No turn on notifications next time videos of this nature bar on service make a video ni be. So the only when the film Mr. President Ibiana by chance also contribute to the studio work here you may any BBR and so highly accepted to reach out to your Dharma. Any beso you be appreciated why am I so pa. Na hey I'm a Ghana. Pepacho in maybe a chemo indeed na watching me cry ye video be about Honorable Muntaka. Honorable Muntaka. Ye video be about Honorable Muntaka. And a chichi match say the constituency ni be asase and on sase or the 2 me any ahomodin e ro mo kawa form abeti jo mon sase se mo kaya. Na ye kan no mo be video no ayi ni so be and no crash na bufu because isi omo ha wona ne say adenti na ojo omo asase omo de asem na badwa ato ase yemra me kasem no wa ha tisi ame ne wo kasai wakoye akobodwa wo ho aka kire mo say omo twa omumu ene betin ye pe asase no waje na onfa ma wo mo na ewe bebo video amamu nyina mahwe you see politicians are not learning no mu nsua de no mu refi say 4 years no one day free so 4 years ni biu. You see 2 years you twem aka 2 more years and they are going to pay for it. And this is a very strong warning and a lesson to encrophobia say we mayo majo say omo de end this no e free mani into the ye be bia end this na no do mani je ho. It's time we change the narrative. Encrophobia bi atena asemwase constituency atete omomorum ene bromomo jani ato asase omso mo bi so mom school. And for whatever reasons you are the member of parliament o approach you almost o pass as in the vocational training school e wo constituency no say o de be asempa yeso ye de no zade ye de asase ne be ma na de ayesa adwuma no na asase na se bi me na me se bi kutwa me be ma o wanzam na se manye ntwa me be ma mi pioto ka ho dabi enunti se bi wajo masase na fe de purpose nti akwaje asase no mo se dabi wonye wadwen se o de asase ne be de obeje nti ye gi asase a o se kele ntwia maji nti me mfama mo all because you have power, all because you are a minister. It would to me e romo kawa for mabeti yero mutakati ye to me esesa dakope. Power is very very transient. Na ebia ya wo se ebia sa dwabo na akoboy na obi afa camera nso ye ba ho na the webcam nam that ye wo information you know. Yera Muntaka I can house them with their children say asase no ompo onfa asase ne ma wo mo. Na sabi adetina timamuni ade. Oso de bebo project amanimunyam aba project nim. Na se sabi project na propose de bo mo tena wo say project na propose mo scam project into onya join it to project onya join hands with you. It ni ade na kode bra be support project wanya mfa mba o se chenchi na maje adentia. Sabi it is saying na entina mo pesa mo de yan na it bone be na Asantefuɔ. This should be a lesson for you people to vote against Muntaka and NDC government 2028. Muntaka, politically you are inclined what fraud rusro nanso as I say about with human relation sense of humor or deka in fact or negative enye na sankrofo na wo yo muse ne sabi o me nkrofo bi so abusua na wa wo moja wa nkrofo mpo na wo yo muse ene nkrofo mo nyo moja de obey o mo dey. Politicians are not learning. Politicians are not ready to learn. Na nse bo ahomet yero Muntaka sisi ameno ka se so kokolebu sisi ye ya omo fire tender e wo ho no mo a Sejato hospital wo sisi ye bubu ani a ote hon ontimi nante a ye be yusu de ama no. Sejato hospital sisi ye ya sabi de stroke ache no ontimi nwane nje ne kra nkwa de oda hon mo a sabi ne yare mu aye den ontimi nwane nje ne kra nkwa no. Fire tender no over 1 year ni yero Muntaka enye adwuma. This should be one of the worrying issues as Minister for Interior. When the issues are also doing on the coin be fast solve issues we. You see Korle Bu Teaching Hospital is the largest referral hospital in Ghana, and one of our largest referral hospitals. Their father tenders for 1 year in Yejuma, and there is no issue of concern. There is nothing like an approach. There is nothing like an attempt to make sure this issue is being rectified and is being dealt with. Issues BBN was her. Name ordinary Ghanaian what we read in Morim. A pesi catching the yam com, Sabi Akoto Assassin, so the bonnet from home bra, not the bonnet bush and home brano. Na Sassi, Sabi in the sweat and blood or the assassin. Washing him edge just as an influence him. But the answer Yama to me. Juma the answer to me, Mouse be this Jumano. Said Juma in the era, and how old that our drinking and can be a day. And was some more Minister for Interior and the hospital's fire tender is not working. And there is not a single approach. And as I was saying, official letter and family and all acting. And you are not even paying attention to these issues. It's more time to hospital in months and say, oh, Nana fire tender company Juma. Said the 10 hour a flight econia send kukum ni petitini a nimpin and nimpono. And say, oh, sa flight copy a coconut or fort. Sana Mopesiana. And in Guasembe near Hosano. Issues like this are there, and you are not paying attention to these issues. Rather, the ordinary Ghanaian, of course, sweat and blood. And they are tossed say, "Oh, do you feed in the bush?" I thought I saw the family project. What when an age chim is agent in someone there? And they
Korle Bu Teaching Hospital for the past 1 year. Fire tender Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. I say ejato Korle Bu Teaching Hospital ni. Na abatan timi ensore se ejatom na omo ayare ntimi nwane ejatom na omo abubu egu ntimi nwane accident victims ntimi nwane. For the past 1 year, fire tender Korle Bu Teaching Hospital no enye adwuma. It has been out of service. Ghana's largest referral hospital, which is Korle Bu Teaching Hospital, no, for the past 1 year, their fire tender has been out of service. Now, see you are Dr. Pakwesi Bedu. Adentina, a major hospital to say Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. Fire tender, it is not working. This is not negligence. This is a national risk. Minister of Interior, these are supposed to be the things I'll be paying attention to. And yet, Minister of Interior is not paying attention to the pertinent issues that borders our nation. What the 2 minutes is man for. Now, instead say you better fix the fire tenders, through a government-owned budget. If say a government, a government fire tender, Asante regional officers, yes, omuntria, friend say, Wamuntia 1,200 near farm fixed tire fire tenders. Now there is no law, there is no regulation, there is no administrative guideline. National Service, Ghana National Service Act 2, Procurement Act 2, Financial Administration Act 2, bibia bo Ghana ho brabia ni ho a ma kwan se fire tenders ya. Yemma officers in the entry and farm fixing fire tenders. So question yebusa say National Fire Service then and emraben and mam kwan say regional office regional fire officers most just so 3,200 and sana ya fix it. Konfanoche fire tender nso asay yesu kodru Asante region hall or regional office and say officers in there war a Asante region no entria 1,200 obia ni afanko fixe a Konfanoche Teaching Hospital a fire tender tidie kan yi Konfanoche Teaching Hospital Asante regional office almost say I just say 3,200 each by the officers. Now officers be about 82 of them almost refuse so omuntia. because there is no operational justification for this transfer of a year. Nemo no so omuso omuntua dia 82 a year officers no omuntua no. Yesi a transfer wo nyina afiri ho. E do omuko nkurase. Now question ye busa ne say to me ben wo mugina so the transfers fire officers yi say omuntua a year 1200 ye dey call fix fire tender. This is a major national hospital. Enya Juma fire tender, Enya Juma, Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, fire tender, Enya Juma for the past 1 year. Maintenance, SAF funds allocated to a fire service. How is it acceptable for officers to be forced? So, Omuna entria 1,200, MEM for repair a fire tender, which belongs to the government. Now, I am a DCFO Daniel Mawusi into Sapon. Wona we ya Ghana che, Mamem for the picture, Antua. Mawusi into Sapon. Mami, ye, now I shall to me. Do other fire service for no, Odum Jajumano, do other no, when ye. DCFO Daniel Mawusi into Sapon. We are aware see ama officers ni bi so omuntua 1,200. Omo omuntua no ya transfer wo mo. So we are aware dia any action be na wo ma me ufa utu anamo be na utu yese we be make sure say na an illegal levy being demanded from the officers. Wonya aware so dia any question you busa say internal oversight and command responsibility no we na say. Internal oversight of the Ghana Fire Service na wudi animu no wo ye ne say Ghana Fire Service na wudi animu no wo ye ne say if say wo ye wadwuma ye dia any officers a omo Ashantefuɔ nya ka chom so muntua 1,200 Ghana cedi miemfa nko fixe Konfanochi Teaching Hospital fire tender no akabai na ese nkwate. Operational logic ben a support the transfer of 83 officers no almost omuntua no operational logic ben we chiri if say 83 82 say 83 for no almost omuntua ma transfer. The question we are asking is that on what grounds if see here Konfanochi Teaching Hospital is the biggest national referral hospital, one of the biggest if not the biggest. Na whole 1 year enya juma fire tender enya juma ewo ho na afi mo be pesika aye no mo pesika nye officers no mo so mo ntua 1,200 an illegal 1,200 no imposed on them man make sure say officers in transfer omo. It question ye busa ne say we are asking for an inquiry into this illegality, and I know it's an illegality because under no circumstance should an officer be asked to pay an amount to repair a fire tender. Eti eye mame DCFO the one sapon. Eso ba be yi ano. De entia entimi nya adwuma na instead say we make sure say be repair fire tenders no. Wo victimize officers or more refuse so omuntua 1,200 because it's an illegal. Eso ba be yi ano. This is a purely illegal matter. And Ghana no ayetim, we are a nation of laws. I continuously tell you people that we are a nation of laws. So National Fire Service, we are asking you the relevant questions. You teaching Konfanochi Teaching Hospital for the past 1 year, Juma. Now so say there be Obaji 1,200 every microphone officers. Na omo mantua no so wa transfer omo kwakurase. So omo muade so omo mantua. Ye de anybody say story we echi. And we ask Eyeye Rajon Domani Mama say maame no hwe no ntimi nya adwuma no oso dodo a ma ne nkokọ tena fie. Say maame no hwe if the fire service de hu ye say obi de animu a eye adwuma ye de America entente na eye say nipa no must inspire hope in the people. Mami we me hwe said we inspire. We are demanding the rights which is guaranteed under Ghana's public service regulations, labor laws, any administrative justice principle. We are demanding these rights which is guaranteed the people. We cannot claim to be a nation of laws. See, a strengthen institutions. Name the very people no be deny say wamuntia illegal sikano. Yakasa say any pan wamuntia dia any yesa saki wamo. So ye busa National Fire Service penia wada no say to me ben wamu gina so wamde transfer sa 83 members yi ekwo nkurase. Ye di enime di achi. Muntaka Mubarak, Minister of Interior. Instead so be mu ani abre no follow sa di umu ani mre ana man wawrenwra a man wawrenwra sa ni eno Muntaka Mubarak sa ni eno focus on the job na yanko eye Muntaka Mubarak the constituency yenti
واشيائهم من الهلائك أن يفرض علي عز جارك وجل ثناؤك ولا إله غيرك اللهم انزل السماء سريع الحساب يهزم العذاب اللهم يهزمه وزلزله وفرق جمعه وشد شمله برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم إنا نجعلك في نهورهم ونعوذ بك من شرورهم اللهم اكفنيهم بما شئت اللهم اكفنيهم بما اللهم أنت عددي وأنت نسيري بك أهول وبك أسول وبك أقاتل حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل mun doke ka mun sama ka mun ba in dai mu ne ba mu da gaskiya mubarak in kuma mu ke da gaskiya Allah ya kwaci hakkin mu Allah ba mu yadda ba sai dai ka gwada mu iko ka kwaci dama ka ce ka kwaci mu ba mu son ci gaban zango in ba mu son ci gaban zango mun sai wanga ka samu
okay so video wo hwe video wo hwe ema merwafo a wo mo Muntaka Mubarak ne constituency boban na wo mutete wo mawre mu koto asase na saa asase no Muntaka Mubarak ede takasi eje free wo nsem ema ne kokan ya na Muntaka asa ka kire wo se wo mu pe onfa mo mo ne mfa mo mo kina yentie Muntaka Muntaka, so what's the government adwuma na wode kwakọ ya? We are a nation of laws. Your compulsory acquisition mra wo act 1036 nimu. As a Muntaka Mubarak, odwene se ofa mra kwan so na de agye asase na. You must compensate these women without satakashino. No. But Muntaka Mubarak use the office as Minister of Interior. Edi renra emerewafo a womo eni baby omo ni kamafo. Ene wo de takashi edi police fo akogu asase so. Ana sa police fo no.
Ya be fa mu ina eni ala.
Eso wo mo makwan, on be fa ho anyina. On be fa ho anyina. Aha. Yenti.
Commander shida muda kwa say ka sa oba fa ala. Ya be fa mu ina eni ala jin.
Eti Muntaka Mubarak a wono no ema agi omudu omusika akwakoye ayi omakoto nsase emrewafo na akwakoto omunsase no ene Muntaka Mubarak e de takashi ege nsase no afiri man nsam se wo ye Minister of Interior adan ya ode be ye project asi ma de ben dormitory ni hwan oboa so wo so wo de be ye project e be favor wo mu a ye wo mra aye fa so e de ge eye nsase free ayi owners of land o Muntaka so wonye se ene wakwa akosere ayi wakwa police fo akwa soldier fo